Hello everyone, my name is Cynthia and this is the final presentation which accompanies the video tutorial I developed for Gale's Opposing Viewpoints in Context. Upon completion of the video tutorial, students will learn how to access the Opposing Viewpoints in Context database, learn how to conduct advanced searches using Boolean operators and truncation, learn how to use limiters to narrow search results, learn how to create a personal account using Google or Microsoft, learn how to save and access a personalized folder, and highlight and create notes on an article. The target audience are West Hills College students interested in conducting research that will provide them both the pros and cons of a given topic. These students range from social sciences students to law enforcement, English students, and even those pursuing a career in communication. I currently work as a library technician at West Hills College Library. I get to see firsthand the needs of our students, both face-to-face and online students. We have a very diverse student population ranging from first-year students to returning students, each and every one of them with their very unique information needs. The creation of this video tutorial was done in an effort to teach West Hills College students how to access and properly conduct searches using the Opposing Viewpoints in Context database. Most importantly, the video tutorial reaches out to our online students who are either located away from the area or simply do not have time to stop by the library due to their work or personal schedules. The implementation will consist of sharing the video tutorial with my colleagues for further review. Once all necessary adjustments are made, the video tutorial can be shared with our student workers for testing purposes. All input gathered will be used to improve the quality of the video tutorial. Once finalized, it can be added to the website for student use and even shared with our instructors so they can use it for their classes. This concludes my final presentation. Thank you for watching.